So we are into the nature study park, and you can have a look. Oh, it's greenery all around. What a beautiful, in the heart of a city. Who could have thought such a beautiful nature could exist? People here come for early morning walk. There's a children's play area, and you see my daughter, she has stayed in Kolkata. So you can have a look how beautiful is this park. It has its own charm, and you can have a look. There's a duck. Lots of ducks are here, and this of course is a statue of a duck, and they wrote something in Hindi. Let me read. It's written as Acharya Mahashraman Kanya Surakshastham. Acha. Something to do with daughter's safety. Okay. Acharya Mahashraman. Okay, something like that. So nature park, and you see the pool behind it. Simply awesome. It's really what is nice. This park is actually maintained by PJ Group, and PJ Group flat is just behind me, behind the park or across the park, and it's surrounded by the highway, the trees, the forest, and of course people they do come for the study, and I feel they are painting something and writing something. Simply it's awesome. See, there are lots of trees kept here. So one such tree is a Rex apple tree, and many people do come for the painting and the drawing. But I must say, it's a very peaceful place. If anyone is here from the hustle and the bustle of the city, people could actually spend some time, quiet moment, alone, and self-introspect their life. It's a time taken off from the busy schedule, and then to spend a relaxing moment. This is the entrance of the park. There are lots of security guards around, plenty of security guards around, and plenty of trees. I had a feeling when I entered, there's a difference of 2 degrees Celsius from the outside temperature and the inside temperature. I could feel it. The outside, the moment you walk, the temperature is so high, although it's very humid. But then inside the park, the temperature is only around 2 degrees Celsius differences. What a lovely place. It's a nice sitting area. You can see if you want to sit, you can sit. These are all the places you can sit here. It's a nice sitting lounge kept here for people who wants to spend some quiet moments together. And of course, this place has also got lots of dustbins, lots of bins where people can actually throw all the rubbish if they have. But I have a feeling the outside food is not actually allowed. And there are some new trees are there. See, it's copper pot. This is Pila Gulmahar. Okay. So this is maintained actually by the PS Group, not me. There's some solar panels also. If you can see, have a look here. There are lots of solar panels also. And you can see it's a lush green pond, and lots of vegetations all around. When I say vegetation, it's the plants and the trees and flowers. It's an awesome place to be. And you see here, look, you're passing through. This is how it has been dedicated. Oh my, it's really a beautiful spot. Come, I'll show you a very interesting part of the park. There's a small, there's one more flower tree, the forest wild boar. And one thing I like about this is that they are not only just planting flowers, they're giving a history of the background and the name, the scientific name, even of this flower plants which is there. Now I'll take you to a most awesome part of the park. Kolkata is known for books, so there is a place to keep books. And now see what a view. All the ducks around us come running. You can see what a lovely view, lovely view. Yes. Wow, I don't have any food, otherwise I could have fed them. Oh, and the ducks don't feel scared of people. Oh man, they are not running away. They are not shying away.
They're actually running away. They're running away.
You can see, have a look. This class park is mostly frequented by students, so you can see there is a small little library bookshelf. Lots of old books are kept. You can take any of these books. You can read, spend some time reading these books, and lots of kind of books are here. You can see some English grammar. Oh my! I think so. These are the books which has been donated. Osho. It's a book by Osho. Lamp onto ourselves. Okay.
There's also children's
This
books.
Hindu revivalism in Bengal.
Yeah,
Okay.
even
This is
children's
your
books.
1872, 1905. Children books also are here. My daughter is showing that. You can see, and there are lots of books. I think I have a feeling these are books which has been donated mostly. And you can pick any of these books, and you can just spend a quiet moment reading this. I'll just go to read a caption of this book. I'll be sitting here. This particular book I'll just see. Hindu revivalism in Bengal. Let me read. Let me sit in the chair where I'll be sitting. And there's a tree. It's just behind, I think so, is a Bargatka tree. Behind, just next to it. It's covered, of course. The top of it is covered. And I'll just sit, have a look, and just read a quiet moment for myself. I'll just take. Now see, there is another one. There's a nice tree out here. This is your Indian coral tree. Okay. So have a look at this. This is the Indian coral tree. There is in fact a boat kept. Acha, there is a temple, Hanuman temple. There's a Jai Shri Ram is written. It's a Hanuman temple. I think all the god goddesses are there. To pray. Yes, beautiful place. And see, this is a boat. This is an old boat which has been kept. Maybe it could be used for boating, but now I think so it's spoiled. It's rusted. It's not fit for playing. Then you see, this is the entrance, I have a feeling, to the water. You could go to the water in this place. And this is another kind of children's play area. So where you can see the children are playing. It's oh beautiful.
This
Oh,
one is like this.
okay, nice.
And this one's like
Okay.
we have to do like this,
Ah,
like this.
okay. Oh, very nice. So children's play area has been kept. In fact, there is a Rabindranath Tagore's statue out here. This is the main entrance, of course, as we entered. There are multiple entrances to the place. Welcome to Nature Park. So this is a nature park. This is a banner for Nature Park. And see, there is a nice play area. In fact, people like me, we can use this gym. It's a nice gym. Nice gym out here. Okay, you can see there's a nice swing and slides and it's a spin rope. Good seesaw is even here. Quite a lot of swings are kept. Oh, wow. So there is a swing. Okay. Yes. Okay, nice. You can see the swing also is kept here. Oh, wow. Okay, nice place. But there is another attraction to the place is that you can see there is a road, pathway next to the park is a road. People can follow that road. But see, there's a small little gym out here. People can go do their daily activities, daily walk. And in fact, they can also build their body. There's a bodybuilding gym out here kept. Okay, so my daughter is overexcited to show you all. So, let's see. Okay, fine. That's how it is to be done. Good. You need a lot of muscles for doing it. There's even a cycle for your abs and shoulder can be done. So dear friends, with this beautiful view, let me say goodbye to you all for now. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe and stay safe and be healthy always. Thank you. God bless.